If you want this year to be the best year of your life, this video is for you. I'm going to share a 3-part system that creates consistency when motivation dies. And at the end, I'll show you 3 tools I built that automate this entire system so you don't have to build it yourself. But first, let me show you design flaw that's killing your goals. Chapter 1, the design trap. Let me ask you something. Have you ever let go of your goals and resolutions even when you were dead serious about achieving them? Why is that? The problem is that you're focused on the destination instead of the journey. You're obsessed with the outcome, like losing 20 pounds, but you haven't built the system that makes getting there inevitable. When a bridge collapses, engineers don't say the bridge lacked discipline. They do an autopsy. They find the mechanical failure. Your goals work the same way. Every time you quit, there's a mechanical failure, not a moral one. You built a goal without building the system to support it. And systems beat goals every single time. Because goals are about the result. Systems are about the process. Goals give you a temporary high when you hit them, then you slide back. Systems keep you moving forward, regardless of the outcome. Let me show you the most common design flaw in goal setting. It's called all or nothing trap. Let's assume that your goal for the year is to lose 20 pounds. Chances are that you start your year highly motivated and you are crushing it in the gym. Unfortunately, motivation is only temporary. So soon you find yourself skipping a day or two for some reason. And that's where the problem lies. That's where your goal thinking destroys you. Because you had no protocol for those bad days. No backup plan, no version 0.1. You were operating on 0 or 1 logic where you either hit the goal or you fail. There is nothing else. So the day you skipped, you do nothing. And the next day, you feel guilty. You're already behind. So you tell yourself you'll restart next week. Next week comes. Life happens again. And before you know it, you haven't worked out in weeks. Suddenly, the goal feels impossible now. See what happened? The workout didn't kill your goal. The lack of a system did. Because when you focus on goals, every missed day feels like failure. But when you focus on systems, every day is just feedback. If a chaotic day happens, no problem. The system has a protocol for that. You execute the backup plan. Keep the consistency alive. Move forward. No guilt, no failure, just the system running. So what's this system? Chapter 2, the 3-part system. The system has 3 components that work together to ensure consistency. Let me break them down. Part 1, the non-zero day protocol. Here's the first part of the system. You need 2 versions of every habit, version 1.0 and version 0.1. Version 1.0 is for the ideal day, the full expression of the habit. Things like a 45-minute workout or 30 minutes of reading. This is what you do when you have time, energy, and motivation. On the other hand, version 0.1 is for non-zero day, the bare minimum. The thing you can do in under 5 minutes or less on your absolute worst days. These are doing 10 push-ups or reading just 1 page. And here's the part most people don't understand. Version 0.1 isn't a consolation prize. It's a strategic victory. Because the goal was never the workout or the word count. The goal is to reinforce the identity. Every time you do version 0.1, you're telling your brain something powerful. Well, I'm the kind of person who shows up, even on bad days, even when it's chaos. That message to self matters more than 1,000 perfect workouts. Let me give you an example. Say you want to eat protein at breakfast. Version 1.0, prepare a full tofu scramble for 22 grams of protein. Version 0.1, eat just 2 spoons of Greek yogurt that takes 30 seconds or less. As you can see, 1.0 keeps you building, while 0.1 keeps you alive. Both count. Here's what happens over time. Some days you do version 1.0, some days you do version 0.1. But you never do nothing. And that's how you build an unbreakable habit. This is how the system creates consistency. Because you're never stuck between all or nothing. You always have a move. That's why the system works when motivation dies. Consistency isn't about perfection. It's about never going to 0. That's part 1. But knowing you need a version 0.1 and actually having one defined are 2 different things. Part 2 is about removing the friction that stops you from starting. Part 2, the frictionless starting protocol. The hardest part of any habit isn't the habit itself. It's starting. There's this concept called activation energy. Your brain sees the energy required to start and says, that looks like a chore. Let's scroll shorts instead. So here's the second part of the system. You can't remove activation energy, but you can lower it so much that ignoring the habit becomes harder than doing it. I call this slope method. For good habits, you grease the slope, make them so easy, they practically happen on their own. For bad habits, you put rocks on the slope. Make them annoying enough that you have to really want it. Here's what this looks like for good habits. Let's take eating a healthy home-cooked meal as an example. Rocky slope, digging through your fridge for ingredients every day. You'll soon be ordering takeout. Greased slope, set a Sunday evening, pre-blocked calendar slot for deciding on a recipe and prepping ingredients. Path of least resistance, just start chopping. Everything's ready. Let's take a bad habit example. Binge watching. If your TV autoplays the next episode and your remote is right there in your hand, that's a greased slope for a bad habit. Netflix engineered that slope for you. But what if you had to get up and manually navigate 3 menus to start the next episode? That's adding rocks to the slope. Every additional step creates a pause. And in that pause, you remember what you actually wanted to do. This is how the system removes the friction that kills consistency. Your environment does half the work so you don't burn out trying to force it. Remember, your environment is more potent than your willpower. Stop fighting it. Redesign the terrain. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually implement all of this? How do I toggle between modes? That's exactly what the tools I built handle for you. I'll show you how they work at the end. But first, part 3, the protocol that makes this sustainable for 12 months. Part 3. The weekly recalibration protocol. Here's what most people get wrong about consistency. They think every week should look the same. Same intensity, same energy. But life doesn't work that way. Some weeks are normal, other weeks are chaos. And if you try to maintain the same intensity during chaos week, you'll fail. Then you'll feel guilty and you'll quit. So here's the third part of the system. You need 2 operating modes, growth mode and survival mode. Growth mode is when you have capacity. You can push for version 1.0. This is when you build. Survival mode is when life explodes. This is when you toggle to version 0.1 for all habits. Here, you're not building. You're protecting the streak. And here's the critical part. You choose the mode consciously before the week starts. Every Sunday, you look at your calendar and ask, what's the reality of the next 7 days? If it's hell week, you declare survival mode. You lower the bar to version 0.1 for everything, and you don't feel guilty about it, because version 0.1 during chaos week is a full win, because you kept the identity alive. The neural pathway stayed open. Next week, when life calms down, you toggle back to growth mode and push for version 1.0. This is how the system protects consistency during chaos. You're not trying to maintain the same intensity every week. The system adapts to reality. This is how you sustain habits for 12 months, not just 12 days. You don't try to be perfect. You try to be unbreakable. So that's the 3-part system. Now, you could build this yourself, but if you want to spend your time on execution instead of building architecture, I've designed the annual operating system to handle all of this for you. 3 tools. First, the Never Go to Zero tracker. You open it and mark your color daily to see your streak. That's it. No elaborate setup. It just works. Second, the Command Center Workbook. Fill it out to audit your slopes and define your version 0.1. You set up once and your system is built for execution. Third, the Complete Guide. This is the full system manual. Every concept, every protocol, every framework, all explained in detail with examples. Link is in the description. Get it now and start executing from today. I'll see you inside.